each winner, frozen BTC params to ETH and Sol. Wait. Let's go ahead and see all the way up here. Feel like she's going a little fast for us. Okay, now everything's locked down in June 10th mean reversion. Okay. So done, Moondev. Everything is preserved and robustness tested. Beautiful. I'll put the key in here again in a second. Everybody in the Zoom gets the key. Just let me finish this up real quick. Since Fable 5 is gone here, I applied each winner. Okay. So the A4 BTC, it's 148%, 118%, and 247%. A1 Cascade, Exhaustion, and Kalman, 781%, 211%, 429%. Okay, so it looks like everything passes except these two. Okay, positive everywhere, but degrades off BTC, so not as good out of BTC. Right now, it's a landmine right now, so it's just like BTC is the symbol to trade if you're in crypto, in my opinion. But you can see here, strategy 5 did not work well on ETH or Sol. So the other ones did do well. 3 out of 5 make money on all 3 assets. That's again a confidence game, right? It's, you know, the thing, just because it worked in the past, we're really just getting rid of trash strategies from the past. So I like to see it work on multiple symbols, and it looks like 3 out of 5 of these worked on multiple symbols. But now it comes to the next step of the process, which is incubation. Remember, research, backtest, and then incubate. Test with small size. Test with small size. If it works, then it works. You know, nobody can tell you anything, bro. Don't listen to people on the internet, dude. You just got to put your ideas to work. Please don't listen to people on the internet. Don't listen to your family. Don't listen to anybody, dude, unless they're in a place that you want to be. If the person is not in a place that you want to be, don't listen to them. They're not ahead of you. Don't listen to them. You have the ideas. You've got the experience. You're the one. You're the actual chef, dude. Please just keep cooking. Thank you. You got this, bro. You don't have Fable 5, though. I don't either. None of us do. None of us have Fable 5 anymore, so it is what it is. You can see robust. These two die at 4.4%. Key takeaways, the OOS. Let's see this one up here. Overfitting risk is low. All 5 profitable. So there's some good. They're mostly good, it looks like, but there are some questionable ones. Let's see this one. Let's go open this up just a tad bit. Okay, so 3.85 sharp, 1,411% return. Overfitting risk is low. All 5 profitable out of sample. Beautiful, dude. So you see the test. You can say what you want to say. I don't care. I'm going to go to the next step here, which is building these out into bots that essentially incubate them. Small size, something I don't care about. The roadmap is here. I show you my actual framework, research, backtest, and incubate. So backtesting gets rid of the trash. Okay, and then when you have enough confidence, incubate it with $10 size. If you don't have enough confidence to incubate at $10 size, quit trading. For real. It's just a much better way to trade, in my opinion. As you know, when you come to the Zoom each day, moondev.com. If you come to the Zoom, I give you my API keys. You obviously get access to the Zoom. You get a chat with me. You see I'm answering questions. Any questions you have in the chat. Now I'm going to go back into the chat because there's hella questions. I'm going to go back and answer all the questions live here. You get the API, the AI, Moondev app, the app that I'm using, and the roadmap. So all of this is included just as a bonus. I believe AI is the great equalizer. I've always said I believe code is a great equalizer, but it's quickly becoming apparent that anybody can be a coder as long as you have good ideas. So you saw the robustness testing. Everybody hyped it up as blah, blah, blah. It's just whatever, yada, yada, overfit, yada, yada. Okay, well, all of the testing I've done so far has shown they are not overfit, but now it's on me to take it to the next level and incubate these. Pick which ones I want to incubate. So what I'm going to do here, first and foremost, is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add these to the GitHub. So everybody that has access to the GitHub, you can have the actual data from Fable 5 that nobody in this world has. How do you get the GitHub? Ask me inside of the Zoom. Uploading. This is Fable 5. Fable 5 backtest. So then I'm gonna say git push here. Git push. What the hell? Git commit /m. My newest changes to GitHub with the notation of Fable 5 backtest. That's what it should say. And please don't take credit for this. Don't put Claude credit here. Thank you. What the hell? How does Claude have a question for me on my phone? It says Claude has a question. Okay, so she is pushing it to GitHub here. Let's go ahead and see if she successfully does it. Let's go to GitHub here, GitHub Moondev Trading Bots. A lot of you already have access to this. And like I said, just come to the Zoom tomorrow if you do want access to the GitHub. I'll talk about it at the end of the day, each day. So let's see if she pushes all of this new stuff. Okay, there's a large amount already staged, including June 10th. All 379 files across Fable 5 backtest folders. Junk files that shouldn't be in Git.